Jeff G. Holt, the V2M Visionary, and I'm here today with an adjustable brake arm from OG Moto, better known as Original Garage Moto. This thing is super cool. It's a two-piece design. As you know, this one goes on the bike. And this bolts onto that. It's splined, which is super cool because what happens, you find your spline wherever you want your height of your brake arm. And then it adjusts full length. Pretty rad. You got gigantic feet, you play in the NBA, you do this. You got little baby feet, you do this, or any which way in between. And we're gonna install it right now here at Dream Rides. Me and my dude Tyler are doing it. Check it out. Results with installing this brake arm, the adjustments are infinite. Like I said before, you can have any size foot, ride any way that you like, and this thing will adjust exactly the way you need it. I can't tell you how awesome this product is. The guys at OG Moto are killing the game right now. I mean, I'm gonna put one of these on every single one of my baggers, and I do have a Softail I'm installing one on, so we're gonna do a little bit on that later. But man, check these guys out. They are doing really good things.